Ah! Ooh! Ah ha ha ha! Ho 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 ho! Ha 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 ha! Ah! This certainly doesn't seem like an arcade game from one of the. Are you still? Oh! 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 Hey! Oh! Hey! 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 Whoa! 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 Hey now! Whoa! Hey!
Then safely secure the space before leaving. Upon sealing the room, you are not to return. Begin on.
Hi. That's a yes. Okay, let me check my bags. Hey, now!
It's a new day. It's your time to shine. It's time to take your career into your own hands. You've saved money your whole life. Great. Now it's time to put all your eggs into one basket and take a huge gamble on your future. A gamble that comes with a 100% chance of success in some cases.
Purple guy!
What are we talking about?
No!
We're talking about becoming a Fazbear Entertainment franchisee. That's right, Fazbear Entertainment is not responsible for disappearance, death, or dismemberment.
Oh. Okay. Alright, okay. Two-step down to restaurant management. Use catalog mode to purchase item animatronics and other supplies. Lose bit by modulation upgrade. Okay! Alright! Okay!
That should be more than enough. Now let's get started.
Alright.
On your left are your product catalogs.
Wow!
You can unlock more expensive catalogs by simply purchasing items for your pizzeria.
Whoa!
Use the arrows in the bottom right of the item window to browse the products for each catalog.
Wow!
When you're finished shopping, click the button labeled Blueprint Mode to place your items. You can switch back and forth between Catalog Mode and Blueprint Mode as often as you like before opening your doors to the public. When you're ready to open—
And then a stage. Oh! Okay, alright, well, absolute playtest. Ho-ho! Ho-ho! Hey! I got good point, I think. I got a lot of points.
Tape. Leaving Dead Space. 3, 2, 1. The purpose of this tape is to test automated response times and reactions from vintage interactive attractions following audio stimuli.
Okay.
If you are playing